guys, welcome back to my mommy's channel. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me, and I'm going to do the voiceover for it. By the way, I'm Paetyn, if you didn't know me by now. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and all the other stuff, and have a good time watching this video. I'm going to start with our brows, and we're going to be using a brow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So now you're going to take the pencil and fill in your brows, and you're going to make it look like a natural look so it looks good. These two together make your eyebrows look amazing! Now you're going to put the Pro Concealer underneath your eyebrows to make them pop. Now you're going to take a concealer brush and blend, blend, blend. Now you're going to use the Pro Concealer in the color orange to cover up those dark spots on your face and make it look blended. So my mama usually uses her regular concealer so her face doesn't look orange, like an orange. Now once you've applied both concealers, you're going to use a beauty blender and blend, blend, blend.
Still blending, and we're still blending, and we're still blending.
Now we're going to take our brow gel by Kylie Cosmetics, and we're going to apply that to our brows. Oh boy, now it's time for more concealer. So now we're going to be using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for our face. When you're done putting the concealer in the areas that you like, you can now blend your life away. Now you're going to take your foundation by Il Makiage and apply it to your whole face. You can use a beauty blender or a regular brush for this. Concealer under the eyes one more time because my mom has really dark bags, is what she thinks. I don't think so. She also adds more concealer to highlight areas on her face. And blend it out. Alright, it's contour time. Who doesn't love a good contour? She's gonna be using a contour stick by ColourPop. And we're blending, and we're blending, and we're still blending. So now it's time to set the face. So now we're going to be using Le Mercier to set our face. This setting powder has an illuminating look. So now, because of this, she's going to use Kylie Cosmetics Setting Powder 2. Time for some eyeshadow. She wants to go for a natural look, so she's using the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. I can't pronounce the word, but it's this brown shade. So now she's gonna apply that all over her lid. Now for some mascara. So the mascara is Lash Blast Active by CoverGirl. So now we're going to use two types of setting sprays to set our face. So one by NYX and the other one by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Can't forget the hoops. So now we're gonna do a bold lip because my mom loves bold lip colors. Now this, you guys, is the finished product. So cute. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye!